Ever wonder why some materials supercharge a magnetic field while others barely respond? That's magnetic permeability, and getting it right is critical for designing transformers, inductors, and electromagnetic sensors. Our free magnetic permeability interactive calculator makes this dead simple. Just plug in your magnetic flux density, your magnetic field strength, and the calculator instantly gives you the permeability of your material. No formulas, no headaches. Let's try it. Enter a flux density of zero point 0.5 teslas and a field strength of 400 amperes per meter. Hit calculate, and you get a permeability of roughly 0.0125 henries per meter. From there, you can compare it against known materials and immediately know what you're working with. Whether you're an engineer, student, or just curious about electromagnetics, this tool saves you time and eliminates errors. Click the link below, try it yourself for free, and take the guesswork out of your next magnetic design project.